Meru National Park, located in eastern Kenya, is a hidden gem offering breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and unforgettable safari experiences. Known as the setting for the book and film Born Free, the park is a haven for nature lovers seeking adventure and tranquility. Join Exodus Safaris as we explore the top 10 activities to enjoy in this remarkable park. 1. Embark on a game drive. Experience the thrill of a classic African safari as you explore Meru's expansive savannas and riverine forests. Spot the big 5 elephants, lions, leopards, rhinos, and buffaloes along with cheetahs, giraffes, zebras, and unique antelope species. Morning and evening game drives offer excellent opportunities to witness wildlife in action, from predators stalking their prey to herds grazing peacefully. 2. Visit the Rhino Sanctuary. Meru is home to one of Kenya's largest rhino sanctuaries, where you can see both black and white rhinos in their natural habitat. This protected area within the park provides a rare chance to observe these magnificent creatures up close while supporting vital conservation efforts. 3. Birdwatching paradise. With over 400 bird species, Meru National Park is a birdwatcher's dream. Look out for vibrant species like the Somali ostrich, Pell's fishing owl, and the striking golden palm weaver. Whether you're a seasoned birder or a beginner, guided birding tour will help you uncover the park's incredible avian diversity. 4. Explore the Adamson's Falls. Named after George Adamson, the legendary conservationist, Adamson's Falls is a scenic spot where the Tana River cascades dramatically over rocks. Enjoy a picnic by the falls, soak in the stunning views, and listen to the soothing sound of rushing water. 5. Guided nature walks. Step out of your safari vehicle and immerse yourself in the beauty of Meru on a guided nature walk. Accompanied by expert guides, explore the park's diverse landscapes while learning about its unique flora and fauna. Discover animal tracks, hidden water holes, and the smaller creatures often overlooked during game drives.
6. Cultural encounters with the local communities. Meru National Park is surrounded by vibrant local communities, including the Meru and Borena people. Visit nearby villages to learn about their traditional customs, music, and crafts. Engage in meaningful cultural exchanges and gain insight into how these communities coexist with the wildlife around them. 7. Fishing in the Tana River. For a relaxing yet exciting activity, try fishing in the Tana River, which flows through the park. The river is home to a variety of fish species, and a quiet day by the water offers a peaceful escape amidst nature's beauty. 8. Camping under the stars. Immerse yourself in the wild by camping at one of Meru's designated campsites. Spend the night under a canopy of stars, surrounded by the sounds of the African bush. Whether you prefer basic camping or a more luxurious glamping experience, the park offers options to suit every adventurer. 9. Photographic safaris. Meru's stunning landscapes and abundant wildlife make it a paradise for photographers. Capture the golden hues of the savannah, dramatic river scenes, and close encounters with wildlife. Guided photographic safaris help you find the best angles and lighting for creating memorable images. 10. Relax at luxury lodges. After a day of adventure, unwind at one of Meru's luxury lodges or tented camps. Enjoy world-class hospitality, gourmet dining, and stunning views of the park. Many lodges also offer spa treatments and infinity pools, ensuring your stay is both comfortable and rejuvenating. Meru National Park offers a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and cultural experiences. From thrilling wildlife encounters to peaceful moments by the Tana River, every visitor will find something to cherish in this untouched wilderness. Book your unforgettable Meru safari with Exodus Safaris and discover the magic of this extraordinary destination.